Today we will discuss about the lesson 7 of our English reader. Okay? Children, have you seen the insect like a spider? Have you seen it? If you have not seen, I think you have seen it. They live in our house, in the trees. They make nets and live there. Okay. So look at this picture. Look at this picture. This is called spider. It is an insect having 8 feet, not feet, 8 feet. So children, we see that they are very hard working insect. They work day and night. They make a net and live there, and they are waiting for the small insects because they like to eat them up. When they come to the net and sit on it, the spider catch it and eats up it. That means it is waiting all day long, through day and night. It waits to catch the insects to eat up. So it is called the spider. Look at this. We can find the spider everywhere and its net. So children, the today's topic is cobweb. What is it? It is cobweb. Cobweb means the spider net. Look, the spider's net is called cobweb. So it is a poem. The poet has written about the spider and its net. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look quite like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the worksite. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles wave day and night. The setting sun pours into them colors are rainbow bright, but the moon turns them into magic white. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look quite like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the worksite. In this poem, it is talked about the spider's net, that is called cobwebs. The long stretch of cobweb on the telephone wires. We see where there are two things. At a distance, a spider comes there and weaves a spider net, and it is the poet's catches the long stretch of cobweb. Long stretch means long and continued. Look at this. It just begins from here and the spider do like this. It makes the spider net like this. So in this way it makes its net and wait there for the insects. Okay? The insects don't know that it is danger for them. They come and sit there. At that time, the spider is there. It catches the insect and eat it up. And it is a very long piece. It is long and continue, and we can say it is a long piece. The long stretch of cobwebs on the telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. The weavers are unfinished. The weavers, who are called weavers? Who weaves cloth? We wear cloth. The weavers weave cloths. So like this, the spider also weave their cobwebs. The spiders weave their cobwebs. So their work is equal. The spider is compared with the weavers because the spiders weave their cobwebs. On the other hand, the weavers weave their cloths. Okay? The work is same. The weaving work is same. The weavers weave cloths and the spiders weave cobwebs. Remember it. And on the telephone wires look white. It looks white in the daytime. It looks very white. Like the weaver's unfinished cloth. Weavers. Have you seen the weaver's worksite? Worksite means the workplace where the weavers do their work. That place is called worksite. If we go to a weaver's worksite, we can find some unfinished clothes. That means they are not completed. So here, when a cloth is not completed, it looks just like the spider's net. Both are same at that time. And the weaver's unfinished, unfinished means not completed or not finished at the worksite. I have just told you, worksite means workplace where someone works there or the work is going there. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles wait day and night. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles wait day and night. They are very hard working insects. The spiders are very hard working insects. Day and night they work. They never end their works. They are hard working insects. So the poet says here the busy spider, because at any moment they are busy with their work. With their ceaseless spindles. Spindles means two organs on the mouth of the spiders. With these organs, the spider wave their web. Okay, that is called spindle, by which they make their net. Like this, the weavers also have spindles by which they weave cloths on their worksite. Okay, children, remember it. Spindle is an instrument by which the weavers weave their cloths, and spindle means an organ of the spider by which it weaves its net. So the poet compares the spider with the weaver because their work is weaving. Okay, the work is same. So the poet compared here the spider with the weavers. The setting sun pours into them colors or rainbow bright, but the moon turns them into magic white. The setting sun pours into them colors or rainbow bright. So in this stanza the poet says, when it is afternoon or it is going to be evening, so at the time of setting the sun looks reddish. It looks very beautiful. At that time its rays looks very nice, and when it is when it spread its light on the cobweb changes its color into rainbow bright. Rainbow bright means we know the rainbow has 7 colors. It became rainbow color, or it becomes rainbow color when the setting sun's ray stretch upon the spider's net, that is cobweb. Okay, children? So it looks very beautiful at that time because it has 7 colors like the rainbow. Okay, but the moon turns them into magic white. After some time, the night comes. When night comes, we can see the moon in the sky. When the moon stretches its colors on the cobweb, it becomes magic white, because we know the moon ray is silver. Its color is silver color, and everything looks silvery. So when the moon comes in the sky and it changes the color of the cobweb into magic white, that means the bright white. It looks like silver. Okay, so when the setting sun's ray fall upon it, it looks like rainbow bright. But when the moon comes in the sky and when it gets light from the moon, it looks silver color, that is bright white. The long stretch of cobwebs on the telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the worksite. Children, the poet compares the spider with the weaver and the cobweb with the unfinished cloth of the weaver on the worksite. So this is the theme of the poem. Now we will write the meaning of difficult words of this poem. Look at this. Stretch. Stretch. Stretch means long, and continue. It means stretch means long and continue. That means it is a long piece, begins from one place and continued for some time. Weaver. Weaver means cloth making man, or who weaves cloth, they are called weavers. Unfinished. Unfinished. Unfinished means not finished or not completed. Unfinished means not finished or not completed. Okay? Then site. S-I-T-E. Site means workplace. Site means workplace or a place where something is done. A place where something is done. Okay? Workplace or a place where something is done. Okay, children? Then ceaseless. C-E-A-S-E-L-E-S. Ceaseless means non-stop. Non-stop or restless or non-stop. Ceaseless means non-stop working. The spiders never take rest. Day and night they work. Okay, so their work is non-stop or restless work. They do restless work. Then spindles. Spindles means an organ by which the spiders make net or an by which the weaver uses it and makes cloths or weave cloths. Then pour, P-O-U-R, pour means put into. Pour means put into. Look at this. Suppose sometimes your mother pour the tea into the cup. Pour the tea into the cup means put the tea into the cup. Okay. When tea is prepared, our mother pours the tea into the cup. Do you understand what is the meaning of pour? So like this. The long stretch of cobwebs on the telephone wires look quite like the weaver's unfinished cloth. So look at this, children. This is the picture of a spider and its net. Like weaver's unfinished cloth at the worksite, the busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles wait day and night. The setting sun pours into them colors or rainbow bright, but the moon turns them into magic white. Long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look quite like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the worksite. So children, can you say where is the cobwebs or where are the cobwebs? The cobwebs are on the telephone wires. Here the poet compared the cobweb with the unfinished cloth of the weaver, and the spider is compared with the weaver because their work is same. The spider weaves the cobwebs and the weaver weaves the cloths. So they are compared with each other because their work is same. And the poet says here, the spiders are very busy because both day and night they are watching for the insects. They are waiting for the insects to eat up because that is their staple food. So they are waiting for that. Children, I will send you the meaning to you and you have to by heart these meanings, and please read the poem for 5 or 6 times to understand the theme of the poem. Okay children, in the next class we will discuss about it again. Then we will discuss about the question and answers stanza wise. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much.